Mga kanaus, musta? Siyempre, lagaw naman ta kag mag food trip pinaka-solid na ramen diri sa Grand Plains, MacArthur Highway, Haro, Iloilo City. I'm Drinking Nose and welcome to my vlog. Mapapa-arigato gozaimasu ka diri sa ilan na lugar, ang Hakata Ramen Bar. Open sila daily 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. For delivery, available sila sa Foodpanda and GrabFood. Ang bag-o na Japanese ramen bar diri sa Iloilo City. Tara! Kag syempre, pakita ko sa inyo ang authenticity sang delicious specialty ramen packed with their original recipes and drinks. O diba, do sa Japan lang ko. O Aryo, damo sila choices mga kanoso. Pili ta. Syempre, suliton ta ni order. Excuse me. Kag ang nanamian ko diri, mag-witness mo gid ang ila preparation, process, cooking, kag procedure on how to make your foods and drinks. Samtam gulat sa mga order namon, syempre na-witness mo gid on how dedicated they are to their craft and to their work. And also, yung aroma ng mga foods and drinks nila, sobrang sulit and also excited na gid kami makaon. And before I forget, yung atmosphere nila at yung ambience, very cozy, very relaxing, and very inviting yung aroma, and also for its excellent service, quickness, and also for its satisfactory for its customer service. Buara ginang gyoza. Tapos agid sa ubos ka gid. Our pagidila preparation and garnishing for their ramen noodles. After few minutes, ay naamon orders. Yehey! Siyempre, malafang naman si Drinking Nose Inu. O, diba? Slow mo pa na. Let's start with Ice Matcha. Matcha sa essence, creaminess, and tamang balance for its sweetness. It's certified matcha wrap. Quench your thirst for Hakata Ale. Refreshing Ale with mint. This is regular gyoza. Contains 5 pieces of pork gyoza. Siksik sa laman and yummy goodness for this savory taste. Hakata Supreme Ramen. Para gid sa mga big appetite with big proportions ka na, may supreme taste and quality ka pa, o diba? 𝘒𝘢𝘆𝘢 ang perfect Japanese rice meal mo na may karage kag yakimeshi rice. Last but not the least, Hakata Tantan Men. Indulge for this spicy, nutty, topped with perfect soft-boiled egg and thick broth. And let's do the religious tradition of saying grace before eating in Japanese. Itadakimasu. Tama ka, Nos. Kaon ta. Pasensya lang mga Nos. Grabe gid kagutom sa drinking news nyo. O, harap gid o. Video ano pa gid. Biskan spicy ang Tantan Men, laban lang. Solid gid. Kag manabong salamat sa Ilonggo vloggers na upod ko, kay Heart Kisses, kay BiboyNatics, kag kay Shane. Kag madamong salamat sa Hakata Ramen Bar for inviting us to be part of this wonderful experience. Nag-enjoy na? Busog ka pa! Please do like and follow sa lahat ng social media platforms ko. At syempre, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. See you again mga Nose for my next lagaw food trip diri sa City of Love, Iloilo City. Bye!